Hello guys, it's me, Sir Yabs TV. So this time we have basic operations on fractions. So first addition. So just cross multiply. Okay, so 2 times 5 equals 10. So this is what we call butterfly method. Okay, 2 times 3 equals 6. Then plus. Then yung denominator, kasi di siya parehas ng denominator. So to make it the same denominator, so just multiply 3 times 5. So ito yung process ng fraction to fraction na mag-add tayo pag hindi siya the same ng denominator. Okay, so 10 plus 6 is 16 and over 15. So now since some of the teachers hindi nila tanggapin yung 16 over 15 kasi nga kasi improper fraction siya. So gagawin pa natin siyang mixed number. So yung katumbas ng 16 over 15 is equal to 1 over 15. Sorry, 1 and 1 over 15. Okay? So, subtraction, the same process. Pag di siya the same ng denominator, so just use butterfly method. So, sundan nyo lang yung gidrawing ko na si 5 at saka 5 multiply. So, 25. Then, 2 times 6. Result is 12. Then, minus over 6 and 5 multiply. So, that is 30. Then subtract the numerator, 25 minus 12 equals 13 over 30. Okay, now 13 over 30, wala nang common factor, so therefore the final answer is 13 over 30. Now let's proceed to multiplication. Ito yung process ng mag-multiply ng fraction. So i-multiply lang yung numerator, 3 times 3 equals 9. The denominator, 7 times 4 equals 28. So, but then again, walang common factor si 9 at saka 28. So, that means that is the final answer. Division. So, ito yung process ng division. Okay? Multiply. Just multiply the first numerator and the denominator of the second fraction. Okay? Or simply, pwede nyo rin siyang i-reciprocal yung 3 over 5. So, dito, para madali lang, para din siyang butterfly method. Okay? 3 times 7 equals 21. So that is the final answer. Okay, another set of example. We have addition again. So the same process. So ito yung process ng addition. Gamitan natin siya ng butterfly method. So 5 times 4 equals 20. Then we have plus 3 times 6. So 3 times 6 equals 18. All over 6 times 4 equals 24. So, combine the numerator, 20 plus 18. So, marami pa rin hindi makaintindi sa some of the mga tao na nahihirapan kahit simpleng addition ng fraction, okay? So, sana makatulong ang video na ito. So, 20 plus 18 equals 38 over 24. So, 38 and 24, common factor nila is 2. So, 38 divide 2 is 19. And 24 divide 2 is 12. But then again, improper fraction siya. So, need natin sa ma-convert into mixed number. So, 19 divide 12 is 1. So, that means 1. Tapos, 19 minus 12 equals 7. So, that means 1 and 7 over 12. So, that is the equivalent mixed number of 19 over 12. Okay? Example number or for subtraction, we have the same process yung subtraction at saka addition. Gamitan lang natin siya ng butterfly method. So, 6 times 3 equals 18 minus 2 times 7. So, 2 times 7 is 14 over 7 times 3 is 21. Okay, then 18 minus 14, the result is 4 over, copy the denominator, 21. So, 4 over 21 yung sagot natin. So, but then again, hindi na natin siya ma-Lewis term. So, that is the final answer, 4 over 21. Okay, for the multiplication, just multiply only the numerator and numerator. So, 10. Then, the denominator times denominator. So, 7 times 3 is 21. So, walang common factor, 10 over 21. So, that means that is the final answer. Okay? Then, division. So, multiply si 5 at saka 3. So, the result is 15. Then, multiply si 2 and 6. the result is 12. Okay, 15 over 12. May common factor. So the common factor for 15 and 12 is 3. So divide si 15 ng 3, saka 12 divide 3. So the result will be 15 divide 3 is 5. 12 divide 3 is 4. Then 5 over 4 is improper fraction. So convert natin siya into mixed number. So 5 divide 4 is 1. Then copy denominator 4. Then 5 minus 4 is 1. So that means 1 and 1/4. Okay? So I hope you have learned something from this video. Sana makatulong ito. Thank you and God bless. Please follow for more.